Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this creamy, delicious Rasta Pasta recipe. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. I have some parsley, unsalted butter, jerk paste, my bell peppers, onion, shrimp, cheese, a little bit of lemon, oil, heavy cream, my pasta, I have some jerk seasoning, and some beer. At this point guys, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt to my water, bring it to a boil, and then add my pasta. You want to cook your pasta for about 11 minutes until they are perfectly cooked. Now I'm just going to add my jerk seasoning to my shrimp, season it up nice and proper. Make sure it's nicely seasoned. Rub it up, massage all that good jerk seasoning, in the shrimp. Alright, so after you season it, then we're going to saute it with some bell peppers, onion, and all the other ingredients. Alright guys, so now it's time to add my cooking oil. This is about a tablespoon of cooking oil. And I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter is fully melted, then you want to add your other ingredients. Alright guys, so at this point you just want to saute your veggies, your bell peppers, onion, the jerk seasoning, and all the nice ingredients together. Saute everything for about a minute, and then you're going to add your shrimp right after that. So once you add your shrimp, you want to continue the same process, stir it up, mix it up, saute everything together, until the shrimp is fully cooked. So after the shrimp cook, then you're going to add some beer to deglaze the pan, bring all that flavor together. And then we're going to add a little heavy cream, some cheese, and then add our pasta. So continue to watch the video guys, don't go nowhere. Yes guys, so we're at the end of the video, and I just want to say thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.